Hello, green thumbs, ready to transform your watering routine. Today, we've got the inside scoop on the best watering wands that'll take your gardening to the next level. From precision watering to ergonomic design, we've tested them all. Stick around as we unveil the top contenders and help you choose the perfect wand to nurture your plants. Let's make watering a breeze. Welcome to the ultimate guide on the best watering wands. Number 1. Green Mount 24, Sprayer Wand with 8 watering patterns. Choosing a short watering wand for your patio planters and small gardens is a wise decision, and the 16-inch watering wand offered by Green Mount stands out for its unique features packed into a compact design. This versatile wand includes 8 adjustable spray patterns and a lever controller equipped with a separate flow control knob. To initiate water flow, simply use the squeeze lever, and for pressure adjustment, turn the flow control knob. For more significant tasks, the wand incorporates a lever lock at the handle's base, eliminating the need for constant squeezing. The durable lightweight aluminum shaft ensures longevity, while the slip-resistant handle enhances comfort and stability during use. During testing, we found the Green Mount watering wand's compact size and robust construction to be commendable. In comparison to most wands that utilize a sliding thumb lever for on-off, lock, and flow control functions, the Green Mount wand introduces a unique design. Notably, the spray pattern selector on this wand stood out, functioning similarly to others but securing in place more firmly than the competition. In summary, the Green Mount watering wand proves to be a durable, comfortable, and compact option ideal for small garden spaces. Pros: high-quality grade aluminum, 8 spray patterns from which to choose, continuous spray clip, durable construction. Cons: short reach. Number 2. Orbit 36 inches Sunmate Turret Wand with Ratcheting Head. For gardeners tending to plants in challenging locations, the Orbit 36-inch watering wand presents an ideal solution. Its extended shaft reaches hanging baskets, shrubs, and concealed areas in crowded gardens. Boasting 9 spray options and a pivoting spray head, this elongated sprayer proves to be a versatile choice for expansive gardens. The 180-degree rotation of the spray head enables users to water plants near the roots and overhead planters without the need for uncomfortable crouching or stretching. Constructed with durability in mind, the watering wand features an aluminum shaft paired with a plastic watering head and handle. We were particularly impressed by the combination of extended reach, pivoting head, and the oversized control lever. With this wand, an average-sized gardener can efficiently water an area exceeding 110 square feet without needing to relocate. While the rotating head occasionally shifted out of position when bumped into hanging baskets or potted plants, the overall performance of this wand, with its exceptional reach and user-friendly controls, makes it an excellent choice for those managing larger garden spaces with diverse plantings. Pros: longer reach than most wands, adjustable spray head angle, easy-to-use fireman lever control valve, spray head rotates 180 degrees. Cons: spray head can get knocked out of position. Number 3. The Relaxed Gardener Watering Wand. The top choice for overall excellence is the Relaxed Gardener Watering Wand, distinguished by its thoughtful design featuring 8 spray patterns and a convenient thumb throttle for adjusting water pressure. Emphasized as made by gardeners for gardeners by the manufacturer, our testers validated that it indeed lives up to its design claims. The padded grip encircles the entire handle, facilitating easy attachment to a hose. Although a free rotation adapter would have been a welcome addition for enhanced accessibility, particularly for users with limited mobility, noteworthy is the surprising pressure packed into the nozzle, offering utility beyond plant watering, such as washing cars or rinsing outdoor furniture. During testing, the spray reached an impressive 27 feet on the strongest setting, truly packing a punch. While the wand is well made and designed, it does exhibit scuffing when dropped on pavement, a characteristic shared with other plastic models. Despite this, our testers found the price point justified by the quality of materials and performance. Their primary considerations were not linked to design malfunctions, affirming the overall satisfaction with the Relaxed Gardener Watering Wand as a reliable and effective choice. Number 4. Melner Relax Grip 8 Pattern Watering Extension Wand. The Melner Relax Grip Watering Wand, priced affordably, stands out with its extendable design ranging from 33 to 48 inches, making it an excellent choice for large gardens and high-hanging planters. Tailored for various plant types, it is equipped with an 8-pattern showerhead catering to tender shoots, delicate flowers, and robust roots. The inclusion of Melner's Relax Grip handle is noteworthy. Designed to minimize stress on the wrist and hands during use, initiating water flow is a simple task with the thumb control, activating the wand's spraying mechanism at the push of a lever. Notably, this watering wand offers exceptional adjustability within its group. Alongside the 8 spray patterns, the ratcheting spray head rotates nearly 180 degrees, allowing easy adjustment downward for hanging baskets or outward to direct the stream towards container gardens and ground-level plantings. The telescoping feature further enhances versatility, effortlessly reaching hanging baskets and remote garden corners. A threaded nut ensures secure positioning of the sliding shaft at any length between 33 and 48 inches, providing users with a customizable and convenient watering experience. Pros: ratcheting shower head pivots 180 degrees, 8 spray patterns, value priced. Cons: lots of moving parts add potential for breakage. Number 5. Eden 94620 Pro Heavy Duty Metal Watering Wand. The Eden Pro Metal Watering Wand is a convenient solution for watering large rose bushes, hanging baskets, and garden beds, while also facilitating the easy spraying of tall windows and gutters. With its 18-inch long handle and a 180-degree adjustable spray head, this watering wand enables reaching around corners and underneath patio furniture without the need for bending or straining. In terms of performance, the Eden Pro Metal Watering Wand lives up to expectations. It offers 6 spray patterns, including flat, mist, and shower, catering to a variety of watering and cleaning needs. Notably, there's a powerful spray setting ideal for removing mud and dirt from outdoor surfaces, facilitated by an easy-to-turn dial for swift transitions between spray patterns as you navigate your outdoor space. The thoughtful design details add to the overall user experience, with an ergonomic handle aimed at reducing hand fatigue, and a honeycomb grip that enhances maneuverability, particularly when the wand is wet. The Eden Pro Metal Watering Wand is crafted with both functionality and user comfort in mind.